Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. Today we are going to be looking at the Ringke Fusion clear case for my LG Velvet. Huge shout out to Ringke for sending this case for review. Appreciate their support very much. Military grade protection and U-line of defense. The ultimate experience. Eco packaging. You want to see more from Ringke? Go over to www.ringke.com. And as far as their social media, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. Now, as always, I'll be leaving some information down below in the description area, a link. And when you hit that link, it'll send you on over to Amazon. It is there that you're going to be able to see that amazing price point. That's going to be right there. Also, they sent me the Ringke Dual Easy Wing Ringke Screen Protector. Self-dust removal. No more side lifting. Immovable and secure. And on the back, an installation guide. Simple and easy to follow. Read everything, and you should have no issues installing your screen protector from Ringke. Now, I already have mine on. And what's nice about this screen protector is it comes all the way around. There's a cutout for the power button that's right there. And it comes to about right here where it starts to curve on the side, right there on the back. And the same with the other side. Comes right over that Google Assistant button and the volume rocker that's right up here, right over the side, about right there. No lifting of the screen protector whatsoever. That looks really, really nice. And we're going to test out the power button. Nice. We're going to get into my LG Velvet here. Test out the volume rocker. Let me turn down the display a little bit there. Nice and responsive. Google Assistant button, bam, works really nice. And on the back, the cutout surrounding those all important cameras. Got plenty of depth there when setting down on most surfaces. I would go with a flat surface, but if you do not have a flat surface and the surface is a little bit rough, you should be fine because there is plenty of depth back there and you have a lot of space for those cameras to take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video. At the bottom, we have our cutout for our speaker, USB Type-C charging port, and yes, so nice to see the headphone jack. And there's a little teeny cutout right there next to the speaker cutout, right there for the mic. See that? That is really nice. And up top, there's another mic right there. That is very, very nice. Beautiful. Gorgeous. Look at that. Google Assistant button, volume rocker, all nice and covered up. On the other side, the power button is nicely covered up as well. That is just gorgeous. Better look at that cutout surrounding those cameras. Very nice. Now we're going to make sure wireless charging works, because you have wireless charging on the LG Velvet. Takes about a second, and bam, just like that. Plenty of lip up top and at the bottom of the case. I can feel the depth there. Very nice. Now, the sides are going to be exposed, but with the lip down here and the lip up here, when sitting down on most surfaces, you should be fine. You're going to have a little bit of gapping right in there, and that's great because that means that your display with your screen protector is not touching the surface. Again, plenty of lip going on at the top and bottom with this case. And with that being said, that's the Ringke Fusion clear case for my LG Velvet. Again, all the information will be down below in the description area. If there's anything that I missed, let me know what that is, and I will do my best to get back to you in a timely fashion. Thanks for watching. I appreciate your support. Leave a thumbs up if you like this video. Leave a thumbs down if you don't, and let me know why. Please subscribe to the channel. Become part of Team I Project 13. Hit that notification bell. And yeah, share the vids, man. Share the vids. And that is it. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace. God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.